Welcome to Flora Grace, a sanctuary of wellness nestled in the heart of Manchester city centre. Here, we blend ancient healing practices with modern innovations to rejuvenate your body, mind, and soul. At Flora Grace, we specialize in traditional acupuncture and Chinese herbal medicine, designed to restore your body's harmony and natural balance. Our treatments are tailored to address physical, mental, and emotional well-being, ensuring comprehensive care. Experience our facial revitalization acupuncture, a natural way to enhance your beauty. This treatment boosts collagen production, improves complexion, and tones your skin, helping you look and feel your best. Flora Grace also offers specialized acupuncture treatments to support fertility and IVF processes. Our treatments reduce stress, aid in restful sleep, and promote overall health, significantly enhancing your journey towards parenthood. Flora is calm, kind, and professional. She has significantly helped manage my pain condition and supported my journey to pregnancy, says a delighted client. Stories like these highlight the profound impact Flora Grace has on its clients' lives. Join the many who have found relief and restoration at Flora Grace. Contact us today to schedule your consultation and take the first step towards a balanced and revitalized life.